Ooby galooby, just listen to Groove.
Well, he doesn't sound sad. Come on, Ivor. You could do with a laugh.
What's so funny, Groove?
Oh, it's this, Ivor. Listen.
Why is he making that funny sound?
Well, I've no idea, Tula. It's not the sandwich. See?
Oh, it must be the bits rattling about inside the Hooby sandwich hammer.
It still works, though, doesn't it?
Oh, yes, Tula. The sandwich is... Hooby-licious. I think I'm going to put my Hooby sandwich hammer in my collection of things that sound funny.
No, Groove, no. You can't put this in your collection. What will we use to flatten our sandwiches with? Split, splat, split, splat.
Who's like their sandwiches lovely and flat?
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean, Ivor. Oh, I couldn't eat an unflattened sandwich.
Well, we'll find you something else that sounds funny, Groove.
Oh, Hooby Groovy. But what?
What?
Something that sounds even funnier than this, that's what.
I want the funniest sound there is.
If that's what you want, Groove, then that is what you will get.
Yay!
What is the funniest sound there is?
That's the question for Hoob News.
What is the funniest sound there is? That's a fantabby Hooby question. Hoobs everywhere will want to know the answer to that one. We all love funny sounds, especially Roma.
Oh, yes.
I'll let her know right away.
And we can measure how funny each sound is by seeing how long we laugh.
Excellent idea, Tula.
Oh, yes, Tula, yes, really Hoobicious. How are we going to do that?
No idea.
And what do Hoobs do when they need an idea?
Have a Hooby think.
When you're stuck for an answer or what to do, stop. Think it through, take a deep breath in. Think it out, work it through, don't scream and shout. Think it through, don't go boo-hoo. Think it through, you'll feel brand new. If you think it through, if you think it through, if you think it through.
Yeah. Well, how was it for you?
I had an idea. I had one.
Oh, Hubba, I knew you would.
Yes, you bang the Hooby sandwich hammer, Ivor, and make Groove and I laugh. And, Tula, you can count Hooba-boobas while we're laughing.
Oh, Hubba, you are a genius. Here goes then. Ready?
1 hooba-booba, 2 hooba-boobas, 3 hooba-boobas. 3?
3 Hooba-Booba funny sound.
Well, Hoobs, maybe you can find a 4 Hooba-booba funny sound.